Hi, this is Chantel with WTI. We mail stuff out every single day, so purchasing this Rollo label maker has been so wonderful. We've had it for several years now and use it every single day. It's really easy to use, and we have it set up to our laptop in our office. It's a thermal printer, so I love not having to change out ink cartridges, which saves us time and money. We've had this little printer since 2018 and have printed thousands of labels with no issues. I like that it's quick and easy to change the label roll, and I'm able to move it around when I need to. We ship out a lot of stickers, so I love that these labels fit perfectly on our bubble mailers, but we can also use them on boxes and poly mailers, so it's nice that we're not having to switch out different sizes. Rollo also sells different colors and shapes, so you can use this to design and make cute little stickers and other fun things. It has made our lives so much easier, but that's just my point of view.